Hi, I'm Kevin, and this is a Kevin's Shop video. I found this Ryobi Hedge Trimmer in someone's trash, and I thought I'd give a shot at seeing if I could repair it and get it going. And the first thing I noticed is this handle was flopping back and forth. So what I did is I just tightened the screw here, and that fixed that problem. I wasn't sure if this was running or why it was thrown out, if the handle issue was just the problem. But what I was thinking about doing is I didn't have the Ryobi battery or charger, but I did have this Dewalt 20-volt battery system that I have for my drill and the charger for the battery. And I was thinking of a way to come up that I could use this battery on this hedge trimmer. And the first thing I did is I just temporarily ran some test leads from the hedge trimmer to this battery just to see if everything on this hedge trimmer was okay, and sure enough it fired right up and ran really smoothly. So I think really the only reason this was put in the trash is because this handle was loose. So I needed to come up with a way to attach this battery and be able to use this battery with this hedge trimmer. And what I found is they have this little base that's used to charge like your cell phone, and it has a couple USB ports on it. It was only $9, and I decided I would mount that to this hedge trimmer, and then it would accept this battery. And what I did is I just made a couple plates out of sheet metal to kind of match and tie this in here, and then used some plastic spacers to match the width of this hedge trimmer and the narrowness of this charger accessory. Anyway, this clips right on here, and I'll show you that this works just great. So anyway, I was able to get myself a battery-operated hedge trimmer for only about $9.